Hey Fixart, have you ever uploaded a video to your WhatsApp status only to find it looking like it was filmed with a potato? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we are fixing it in 3 easy steps. Let's dive in. So here's the deal. WhatsApp compresses your videos and photos faster than you could compress pastas right in your palm. The reason why they do that is to save data and storage space. Just that the result is that your masterpiece ends up looking like pixel soup. But there's a good news, we can fix that in 3 steps. Step 1. Now instead of uploading directly to your WhatsApp status, you're not going to be doing that. Instead, what you're going to be doing is to click on the plus icon, then select you. Step 2. Select the photo or the video that you want to share to your WhatsApp status. Now pay attention here. You're going to be selecting HD. That means it will allow you to send the content in HD quality, which will be 6 times higher than the standard quality. Then type in the caption you want to include with your post and send to yourself. Step 3. The next thing is to forward the content directly to your status. Now, by the time you are done sharing to your WhatsApp status, they are going to be having a video or photo that is 6 times higher than the standard quality. And yeah, that's it. So if you are tired of seeing low quality content on your friend's WhatsApp status, ensure to forward this video to them. Share and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and let's fix it together.